Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you to open a Binance cryptocurrency exchange account. Binance is the #1 exchange in the world in the crypto industry. It asserts its leadership position with over 238 million users. Binance provides continuous information on the fluctuations in the crypto market. Users can use Binance on mobile devices by downloading the exchange's app. Let's get to the main topic of the video, registering a Binance account. Enter your registered email address. Click Next. Binance will ask you to verify that you are not a robot. Next, a 6-digit code will be sent to the email address. Check your email, copy that code. Paste the verification code into the blank box. Set password. Pay attention to the notes to get the most secure password. To get the most out of Binance new user benefits, when registering an account you should use the referral code, OCXGWTWL. Binance will ask you to verify your user identity upon successful account opening. Select the country you live in. Select the type of document you use to verify your information. Click Continue. Fill in the information completely. Then you just need to upload a photo of the verification document. That's it. Currently, if you verify your user identity within 14 days of opening an account, Binance will give you 20 USDT trading fees voucher. In addition, when you deposit 10 USDT into your account, you will be given an additional 30 USDT. You trade 10 USDT and will be given 50 USDT. Wish you a successful account opening.